If you want to convert your NDA contracts that you might have in PDF or in Word to spreadsheet format like Excel or comma-separated values, Contracko has a solution for you. I'm going to demonstrate how this works in this video. To start, go to contracko.com to begin your free trial. Then you can log in. I will do that. And then we'll navigate to the parsing tab. So Contracko has contract management features, but we also have a distinct module for parsing contracts. This is great for converting your PDFs or Word files to spreadsheet format or to JSON, which is really great for developers or for agents. Now, I have created for us a number of exemplary NDAs. Here you'll see we are the Meridian Wellness Group, and we have a bunch of contracts, NDAs with a brand studio, a software provider, and 2 fitness systems providers. Okay, so if you take one of these and you drag them into the parser, you'll see you'll be given an output format option. Here you can select Excel or comma-separated values, and you can also select a contract type. This is optional, and contract types are the way to set up templates with custom fields for contracts that you deal with a lot in your business. Now, you don't need to set this up, but you can, and I'll demonstrate how that works. So if we go to types, you'll see here I have an NDA type, and it has a bunch of custom fields. So what's the confidentiality period? What type of agreement is it? Is it one way or is it mutual? Are there exclusions? And what has been agreed with respect to returning the materials after the NDA is expired or ends? So this is my contract type. There are a bunch of templates that you can select if you go here under types to fit your processing need. Like, for example, data processing agreement right here. So we'll go back to the parser and I'll demonstrate how this works. So you could do it in batch. In this case, I'll take 2 of these and I'll apply the data processing agreement. Excellent. We want it in Excel, and that is just going to run for us. You'll see it's running. Now, I've run 2 of these yesterday, so I'm just going to demonstrate for you how it looks. In this case, when it's done per file, you're going to get a preview. This is the JSON. You can copy this and give it to an agent, for example. And you'll see it's gotten the custom fields that are included with the NDA type that we assign to the file. So, for example, it has exclusions. It has, let's see, what else did we get? Oh, this is really small. I can demonstrate by downloading the export straight away. And we're just going to open that up in Excel. So we're going to open that in Microsoft Excel, and here you'll see we have produced a really nice spreadsheet with details about the file, mutuality, jurisdiction, governing state. I just want to show you that we also got these custom values like agreement type, it's mutual, are there any exclusions, return of materials. And so this is a really great way for you to batch process documents. So here you'll see in this new batch, the first one is already completed, second one is still ongoing. But this is a really great way for you to take all the NDAs that you have and immediately convert them to spreadsheets for use in Google Sheets, Excel, Airtable, Notion, whatever you like. If you want to do this programmatically, so not in the interface, we also have an option for you. So we actually have a contract parsing API. You can find a link on our website. And here you can do the same thing. So in our app, you can produce an API key and use that to interact with our JSON API. What you can do basically is you'll upload a file, queue a parsing job for a number of files, and then you can retrieve the batch results. And what you're going to get back, just like I demonstrated in the application, is you're going to get back per item an output that might have things like, okay, title, start date, end date, and all those nuanced details that our system will extract for you. To try that and the manual extraction, you can do it for free within your Contracko trial. And we give you 20 credits to start, which is plenty for maybe 10, 15 contracts, which might just solve your need or give you enough to try this experience. Then if you would like to try the API, you can go to integrations, generate an API key, and do that under the parsing product. Okay, so I'm excited to hear what you do with this. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for your time.